Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable screensaver option in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to display option. Now from here scroll all the way down and at the bottom you can see screensaver option, then just tap here and that's it. Now here you can see 5 options: none, colors, photo table, photo frame and photos. You can choose any option as you want. Now you may ask, how does it work? If you enable screensaver option from here, then it will show a screensaver after the screen turns off automatically while your phone is charging. Now if I select colors from here and then tap on preview, and that's it. Now just unlock your phone. You can also choose photo table or photo frame from here, but I suggest you to set colors. And that's it. And that is how you can enable screensaver option in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.